I recently made an art book. Here it is. This little one right here, a black and white version of the real book, because I think that's cooler. It looks cheaper, handmade, and it's lovely. I started like this. I was using Photoshop and other photo editing applications and websites to make these little pieces of art. Started out in our high school computer lab, but I've kept going for a couple years now. Pretty much just using whatever pictures I can find in the open domain, or my own photography, or pictures from the internet. And I made a whole bunch of them. Not all of them made it into a book, but I chose a few and printed them out like this, and wrote up a little essay explaining the process, as you can see here. Now the color prints are pretty expensive and the book's pretty unwieldy, so I wanted to create something that I can show to a lot of people. So I laid down the map of Texas and I got to work just scanning the color pages. I used an iPad app called SketchUp to take pictures of each, and the app was really finicky. I got really lucky here, got 2 good scans in a row, but normally it took, 10 to 20 tries. And each of the scans came out at different sizes, so I had to go in and manually crop them and resize them to make sure that it fit well for what I was looking to do. After that, I put them into this online program to put all the images together into a PDF, into the correct order, and at the correct resolution. I then got this software and put all the good scans into a good format to be printed, and created a little example so you can see how the booklet might look at the end. Then went out to the printer shop, assembled it, squished it in the book that you saw at the beginning, and now I have this. Now that's the production side of things. The next thing I needed to do was distribute it. That's pretty easy. The first thing I did was go to my website and upload the 2 versions of the file to the images folder. I added them there with links. Now you can go to my website here, go to the visuals tab, and under visual works find the magazine. There's 2 versions, as I mentioned before, the one that looks good and the one that you can use to make one that looks good in real life. I'll also link all the tools that I use to make my own book, so if you're inspired, maybe you can make your own. My biggest inspiration on the project was my friend Zuzu, and this book is only my own images, but I want to show at least one that he made here, mother.png. Probably the best work that I've seen in the genre.